Hey guys, it's Hal Walker, the Alabama parole lawyer, coming to you today on February the 4th. It's the first day of the legislature. So much like last year, we are again proposing a bill that would allow for parole hearings to take place via Zoom or some type of electronic means so that people seeking parole, the inmates and their families, as well as myself, could participate in these hearings via Zoom instead of traveling great distances. It also gives the parole board the chance to look the inmate in the eye and talk to the inmate, maybe ask some questions, and the inmate has the chance to interact with the parole board, which is much better than the current situation. So to just update you on some things we've done recently, last week we had 2 cases and they didn't go well for us. We don't win all of them. We try to win all of them, but the truth is sometimes you just don't walk out of there a winner. And in these 2 cases, one was a very tragic murder case and the other one was a sex assault. And in both cases like that, those are tough to get out even if you've done what you're supposed to do. It's hard to convince the parole board and other parties that you've done enough time when the crime is that tragic. What we are celebrating today is the release of one of our clients. We had a parole hearing earlier this morning, and he was doing 2 consecutive life sentences under the Habitual Offender Act, and we were able to convince the parole board to let him out. He is going to go to Perry County briefly for 90 days, try to get him reacclimated to society, but from there he's going to Mobile where he wants to be. He's got employment, he's got housing there. So that's exciting for us. One thing that happened today is that we had 4 cases called along with mine, well, a total of 4. And the 3 others, the sentences were not as bad, but none of those people got out. One thing that was interesting of those other 3 is one group had brought an attorney out of Atlanta. And what I would encourage you to do is if you have a loved one coming up for parole, whether it's me you hire or just some other Alabama lawyer, please make sure they are well versed with the Alabama rules that the Alabama Parole Board functions under. Make sure they know where it's located. A lot of them don't because they don't go there. So make sure you've got a lawyer that knows the lay of the land, knows what the parole board wants to see from them, and can give you great guidance. A lot of people can advertise for everything under the sun. You see the Alex Shinura signs every day. That doesn't mean he's the best personal injury lawyer out there. Ask questions, ask plenty of questions. If you have questions of me, please feel free to reach out to me directly at my office, 334-329-7325. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.